Here I have iPad mini 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to connect AirPods Pro to this device. So firstly you have to just open its case, then hold down a button on the case for them to enter pairing mode, and after this light is glowing it means that they're entered the pairing mode. Then you just have to open settings, enable Bluetooth, and after that they will propose you to connect them. Just tap connect, and after that AirPods are connected. So you have this tutorial. You can set up Siri, or you can just or customize announce calls and notifications. So yeah, if you want to disconnect from these headphones, tap here and then select. You can either disconnect from them or forget this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.